Welcome to this video on using Spring Initializr. After watching this video, you'll be able to set up a new Spring Boot project and customize it. Spring Initializr is a web-based tool that simplifies the setup of Spring Boot applications. It provides a user-friendly interface for generating the basic structure of projects with just a few clicks. Let's begin creating a Spring Boot project. To access Spring Initializr, open any browser and navigate to start.spring.io. This serves as the primary interface for initiating the development of a Spring Boot application. First, let's look at the key options available on Spring Initializr. At the top, you can select the project type, Maven or Gradle. In this course, we will be using Maven. Next, you can choose the programming language for your application. You have the option of choosing between Java, Kotlin, or Groovy. However, this course will use Java. Then, select the Spring Boot version you wish to use. Choosing the latest stable release is generally recommended to take advantage of the newest features and enhancements. For this demonstration, we will use version 3.4.3. The next step is to configure the project's metadata by scrolling down. You will find options to enter the group and artifact, which define the project's unique identifier together. The group will be set as com.example.course for this demonstration. The package name field will automatically update based on the provided entries. You may then add details such as the project's artifact, name, and description. You can choose the packaging type, which is either jar or WAR. For this example, select jar. Additionally, choose the latest Java version, which is version 23 in this case. Next, add the necessary dependencies. Dependencies are libraries that provide specific functionalities to your application. Select Add Dependencies to open the search box. It is common for a basic web application to include dependencies such as Spring Web for building web applications and Spring Data JPA for database access. In this example, we will search for web and select Spring Web to include it in the project. Once everything is configured, you can click Explore to view the generated code. This option allows you to examine the code and verify its structure before starting the project. You can download the entire codebase or copy specific parts from this view. Let us take a closer look at the generated code. It features a well-organized directory structure, including a main application file annotated with @Spring Boot application, which serves as the application's entry point. Alternatively, you can select the Generate button to download a zip file containing the new Spring Boot project. After downloading, extract the zip file and open the project in your preferred Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Depending on the earlier selection, you can also import the project as a Maven or Gradle project. In this video, you learned that Spring Initializr simplifies Spring Boot project setup. The process involves navigating to start.spring.io, selecting the project type and language, choosing the latest Spring Boot version, configuring metadata, and adding dependencies. Once configured, the code can be previewed or downloaded as a zip file. Finally, the project can be opened in an IDE.